This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Signal. So Signal, the popular messaging app, I'm right here on the main downloads page. You can find it at signal.org/download. So I'll put that URL in the video description as a link. So you can just click that link below the video in the video description and wind up here. So Signal for mobile, we've got it here for Android or for the iPhone or iPad. And then there's a Mac version right here, so it knows that I'm on a Mac. It knows your operating system when you come to this page. If it's wrong for whatever reason, or you want to download a different version, they've got it here for Windows or for Linux, the Debian-based distros right here. So we can click for Windows, for example, and that will immediately download the Windows execute file, the exe file. But I am on a Mac right here, so I'll just click this button here. If you're on Windows, it will just say download for Windows here. Like I say, you do have the Windows and Linux versions. So here we will click this big blue button for download for Mac. And you see the icon flies up here. That goes to the downloads folder. I'm using Google Chrome on this Mac, so it goes directly to the downloads folder, but depending on your browser and your download location configuration, your downloads location might be different. You will then find the installer in your downloads location, and that's the easy bit. You just install the program from there. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Signal useful, the Signal app. If you found it helpful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.